So hello everyone and welcome to Career Launcher. So in today's class, we will be discussing the sixth and the last Nobel Prize for the year 2024, and that is Nobel Prize in Economics. We have already done the earlier five parts or the earlier five Nobel Prizes, and this is the sixth one. So am I audible and visible? मेरी आवाज आ रही है? So if I'm audible and visible, please write in the comment section, yes sir, you're audible, so that we can start our session. Am I audible, guys? Okay, so let's just start. Now, एक चीज मैं बता दूं. This is if you have not watched the class, please go and watch it. All about Nobel Prize and its history. Career Launcher. Just search on YouTube. You will get this video. Please go and watch it. This is very very important. इसमें सारे history detail Nobel Prize के बारे में about Alfred Nobel and all. I have discussed it. So go and watch this one. ठीक है. और मैंने already I have done all the previous 5 parts. तो अगर आपने प्रीवियस पार्ट्स नहीं देखा, जैसे yesterday I had done Nobel Peace Prize, ठीक है, so go and watch it, and all the other prizes like Nobel Prize in Chemistry, Physics, Physiology, Medicine and all, and a Nobel Prize in Literature. These things I've already done. Now this is the last one, Nobel Prize in Economics. We'll be discussing it today. So let's begin with the first question of the day, and the first question says, Nobel Prize in Economics is given by which country? Norway, Sweden, Finland, Denmark. Yes, good evening guys, good evening everyone. बताइए, Nobel Prize in Economics is given by which country? Yes, Nandini and Rahil has answered me correctly. सबको try कीजिए. Yes, Mishika, Wahid, Nandini, Priyanshi, Rahil, Mishika, you are right. The right answer is Sweden. मैंने आपको बताया है, total we are having 6 Nobel Prizes. Only one is given by Norway. The other 5 is given by Sweden, and that one is actually Peace Prize, है ना? So Nobel Peace Prize is given by Norway. The other 5 is given by Sweden. Yes, Priyanshi, Rahil, Mishika, Namo, you are the right. B is the right answer to this question. Now, so let me show where exactly the award is given. So basically here is India. This is Europe. Europe में Sweden में you will find this place called as Stockholm, the capital of Sweden, where actually this Nobel Prize is announced. The 5 Nobel Prizes are announced. Okay. Okay, now the next is, what is the other name of the Nobel Prize in Economics? Nobel Prize in Economics का एक और नाम है. I have not given the option, otherwise the question will become very easy. So I am expecting you all to answer. Please tell me, what is the other name for the Nobel Prize in Economics? I'm expecting at least 7-8 people to write the answers. I've got 3 answers. Yes, Nandini, Namo, Mishika, Wahid, Priyanshi, Pritam, you all right. Actually, Severege's Riksbank Prize. Now, this is the prize. This Nobel Prize in Economics is also called as Severege's Riksbank Prize. Okay. Now, please tell me that Severege's Riksbank is a bank or a central bank of which country? Severege's Riksbank जो है एक central bank है of which country? Central bank समझते हो? Central bank means a bank which regulates all the other bank. For example, in case of India, we are having RBI, है ना? This is central bank है ना, RBI, Reserve Bank of India. Okay, yes. Yes, very good. Very good, very good. Central Bank of Sweden. Severege's Riksbank. Of course, अब Sweden में दिया जा रहा तो Sweden ही कौन होगा? Logically it says है ना. Yes. Namo, Priyanshi, V1, Nandini, Pritam, Triti, Safi, Wahid, Tanishka, you are the right. So Severege's Riksbank Prize, it is given in the memory of or in the name of Sweden Central Bank, Severege's Riksbank Prize, है ना. So it was founded in 1668 and world's oldest surviving central bank, it is said. Okay, one of the oldest this. Okay, and that is what you should be knowing about it. Now, let's move on to the next question. The next question says, name the institute which gives Nobel Prize in Economics. Norwegian Nobel Committee, Royal Swedish Academy of Sciences, Swedish Academy, Severege's Riksbank. इंस्टीट्यूट या ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जो भी कह लो, है ना. Now I'm sure people will be confused between B and D. इसीलिए मैंने इनफैक्ट पहले भी बच्चों ने पूछा था. Some people are saying D, but no, the answer is B. Royal Swedish Academy of Sciences gives Nobel Prize in Economics and not Sveriges Riksbank. इसी को एस्टैब्लिश करने के लिए मैंने एक क्वेश्चन पूछा था, आई थिंक दिस इज एन इंपॉर्टेंट वन. यस, मिशिका, नंदनी, प्रियांशी, वाहिद, प्रीतम, राहिल, नामो, तनिष्का, सैफी, ऑल द राइट, है ना. So, physics, chemistry, and economics are given by Royal Swedish Academy of Sciences, not by Sveriges Riksbank. ठीक है, नाम उनका है. The name is actually Sveriges Riksbank Prize, given in the name or the memory of Sveriges Riksbank. But the award is given by Royal Swedish Academy of Sciences. ये क्वेश्चन मेरे से पहले भी किसी बच्चे ने पूछा था earlier in the earlier classes, and I had told him also. So I am here repeating it. इसमें स्टार मार्क इसलिए लगा लेना because इसमें हो सकता है कि क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे घुमा दिया जाए. And this is the question where actually people may get confused. So B is the right answer here. Named after option D, right? But given by option B, Royal Swedish Academy of Sciences. ठीक है. ओके, ये मैंने दिखाया भी था. आई स्टिल रिमेंबर जब मैं आई वाज टीचिंग द फर्स्ट क्लास ऑफ नोबेल प्राइज, है ना. रॉयल स्वीडिश एकेडमी ऑफ साइंसेस फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री और इकोनॉमिक साइंसेस देती है. कैरोलिंस्का इंस्टीट्यूट जो है नोबेल प्राइज इन फिजियोलॉजी या मेडिसिन देती है. स्वीडिश एकेडमी जो है लिटरेचर, एंड नॉर्वेजियन कमिटी गिव्स पीस प्राइज. ठीक है, और ये भी मैंने बताया था कि पीस को छोड़ के सारा पांचों जो है, रेस्ट 5 इज गिवन बाय स्वीडन एंड पीस प्राइज इज गिवन बाय नॉर्वे. दिस आल्सो आई हैड डिस्कस्ड. Now, let's move on to this year's Nobel Prize in Economics 2024. So let's begin with the first question. Now, the first question is in front of you. The winner of the Nobel Prize in Economics 2024 are. And here is the question, and here is the option in front of you. Please read it and then answer me. बताइए. Because I'm expecting you all to answer. अभी अनाउंस हुआ है थोड़ा देर पहले. Yes, मिशिका, राहिल, वाहिद, नंदनी, वैष्णवी, कुमारी. Yes, Namo, Rahil, Tanishka, Safi, Priyanshi, all right. Daron Asimoglu, Simon Johnson, James A. Robinson. So D is the right answer to this question. Yes, Priyanshi, Mishika, Tanishka, you all the right. So these are the 3 winners of Nobel Prize in Economics or Sveriges Riksbank Prize 2024. ठीक है. So please try to remember the name. कैसे भी करके कोशिश करना याद करने की. कुछ तो याद हो सकता है. देखो, इनकी भी लास्ट में सन लगा है, इनकी भी लास्ट में सन लगा है. ठीक है. The 2 person with the same name. Now, let's move on to the next question. Yes, Namo will be coming to those questions as well, है ना. Darren Asimoglu, Simon Johnson, and James A. Robinson won Nobel Prize in Economics for 2024. For what? For what achievement? For studies of how institutions are formed and affect prosperity. Yes, Nandini, Rahil, Wahid, Safi, Priyanshi, Tanishk, Namo, you all are right. So इन तीनों ने जो नोबेल प्राइज इन इकोनॉमिक्स जीता है, Daron Acemoglu, Simon Johnson and James A. Robinson, they have won for option B, for studies of how institutions are formed and affect prosperity. So B is the right answer to this question. तो इंस्टीट्यूशन कैसे फॉर्म होता है और उसको प्रॉस्पेरिटी से कैसे इम्पैक्ट करता है. These are the key words. Please try to remember it. With the help of which you can answer. So B is the right answer to this question. ठीक है. और एक और किसी बच्चे ने बताया था कि सर जो B वाला ये 2023 विनर है. Yes, you are right. 2023 के जो विनर है क्लॉडिया गोल्डिन actually is the option B of the previous answer. और ये D जो है 2024 के विनर है. So 3 people have got this time. Okay, now let's move on to the next question. The next question is Daron Acemoglu, Simon Johnson, and James A. Robinson belongs to which of the following countries? And which is the most perfect answer? There's a request, guys. Everyone, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel also, because most likely मैं सोच रहा हूँ next week से will be having revision classes as well. Revision series लाऊंगा. I'm planning. Yes, Mishika, Priyanshi, Wahid, Rahil, Tanesh, Namo, Vaishnavi, Tanishka, Mishika, you are right. Is yes, Mishika, very good. So all of them are actually from USA. Even this guy is actually originally from Turkey, but now he's having both American and Turkish citizenship. Okay. So the right answer is A is the right answer to this question. Yes, A is the right answer. Okay. Like all of them are USA because they are based in America. They have got the citizenship of America as well. So most perfect answer would be option A. Okay. Okay. The next is Daron Acemoglu, who is winner of the Nobel Prize in Economics 2024, is currently associated with. He's a teacher or professor, whatever you can say. In which university? Yes, the right answer is option B, Massachusetts. Yes, Mishika, Tanishk, Rahil, Wahid, Vaishnav, Priyanshi, you all were right. MIT, you will find it in America. So B is the right answer. Anna. Daron Acemoglu. Armenian descent, American economist, Turkish Armenian. So he's actually originally from Turkish, born in Turkey, Istanbul, and then moved to America, and there he's actually there. So B is the right answer. Anna. Now, the next one is Simon Johnson, who is one of the winner of Nobel Prize in Economics, is currently associated with Yale University, MIT, Cornell, Stanford. Yes, Mishika, Wahid, Tanishq, Priyanshi, you all right. The right answer is, again, the right answer is option B, Massachusetts Institute of Technology in America. Yes, Priyanshi, Nandini, you all were right. Okay, so let's talk about Simon Johnson. He is also is a British American economist, है ना? So he's also got American citizenship and all. तो ये भी and he has earlier served as chief economist at IMF, International Monetary Fund. ठीक है? So this is also slightly important because he has earlier served as chief economist of IMF as well. Okay, Indians भी रहे जैसे इनसे पहले रघुराम राजन जो कि RBI के गवर्नर थे, he also was the chief economist at IMF. So that's, you should be knowing it. Now, the next is James A. Robinson, who is one of the winner of Nobel Prize in Economics, is associated with which university? Harris School of Public Policy, University of Chicago. Very good, Mishika. Fantastic. The right answer is D. Yes, Wahid, you all right. University of Chicago is the right answer to this question. Yes, Rahil, Tanishq, Rahil, you all right. तो ये फाइनल आप देख सकते हो. These are the three winners: Daron Acemoglu, MIT, USA; Simon Johnson, MIT, USA; and James A. Robinson, University of Chicago. IL मतलब Illinois जगह है US में. Illinois is a state in which you will find city of Chicago. ठीक है. So and this is their for studies of how institutions are formed and affect prosperity. This is the reason why they have got Nobel Prize in Economics. ठीक है. So this you should be knowing about it. Okay, so let me show कहाँ पर है MIT दिखाता हूँ. देखो US के एकदम ईस्ट में जाओगे, न्यूयॉर्क से थोड़ा सा नॉर्थ ईस्ट जाओगे, यहाँ पर एक जगह है मैसेच्यूसेट्स. MIT, Massachusetts Institute of Technology. This is India's world's topmost engineering college कहा जाता है ना. Then यहाँ पर Illinois है, ये वाला जो स्टेट है ना, इसको कहते हैं Illinois. ILLINOIS लिखते हैं, but pronounced as Illinois. So you will find Illinois Institute of Technology also. You will find IIT in America also, IIT, Illinois Institute of Technology. उसी में एक सिटी है, a port city called as Chicago, a very famous port city of Illinois. ठीक है. So University of Chicago, you will find it here, and here is Chicago, and here is actually Massachusetts. ठीक है. तो ये सब पता होना चाहिए. Just have an idea about it. है ना? Massachusetts is there, and this is Chicago. Illinois state दिख रहा है ना? हाँ. Now, let's talk about some of the important historical events associated with Nobel Prize in Economics. So let's begin. Nobel Prize in Economics was first given in the year 1968, 69, 70, 71. I hope you all are aware, I have already discussed it in the earlier classes, that Nobel Prize was founded in 1901, where 5 Nobel Prizes were given. The 6th one was later on added. Nobel Prize in Economics was later on added. So it got established in 68, but the first award was given in 69. So the right answer is B. Yes, Namo, Priyanshi, Nandini, Mishika, Rahil, Preetam, Tanishk, Vahid, you all are right. B is the right answer to this question. So the first Nobel Prize was given in the year 1969 by in the name of Severidges Rix Bank, है ना? And देखो यहाँ पे साफ लिखा हुआ अगर आप देखोगे, sponsored by Severidges Rix Bank and presented by Royal Swedish Academy of Sciences. ठीक है, क्लियर है? क्योंकि यही कंफ्यूजन होता है ना कि सर कौन देता है, कंफ्यूजन है ये. सो हियर इट इज. ठीक है, प्रेजेंटेड बाय रॉयल स्वीडिश एकेडमी ऑफ साइंसेस. एक और मैं दिखाता हूं प्रूफ के लिए ताकि आप यू शुड गेट कन्विंस्ड. अगर आप देखोगे यहाँ पर रॉयल स्वीडिश एकेडमी ऑफ साइंसेस लिखा हुआ भी है. ठीक है, इफ यू सी इट केयरफुली ऑन द टॉप राइट, एंड दैट इज व्हाई आई हैव हाइलाइटेड इट हियर. खैर, now let's move on to the next one. Who were the first winner of Nobel Prize in Economics? I know it is slightly difficult, but let me see if anyone can answer. Yes, Rahil और नमो ने आंसर किया है. वेरी गुड, गुड, ग्रेट. कोई और, anyone else can answer me? The first winners of Nobel Prize in Economics in the year 1969. Yes, Ragnar Tinkerman. Yes, नमो, मिशिका, प्रियांशी, all the right. इनका नाम था रागनर फ्रिश एंड जैन टेनबर्गन. नॉर्वे के थे और ये नेदरलैंड के. ठीक है, फॉर हैविंग डेवलप्ड एंड अप्लाइड डायनामिक मॉडल्स फॉर द एनालिसिस ऑफ इकोनॉमिक प्रेशर प्रोसेसेस. For this, they have got Nobel Prize in Economics. Yes. Now let's move on to the next question. Please read the question and then answer me. In one option, you have to write both the answers. You have to answer both X and Y in one option. Yes, I have got the right answer, the completely right answer from Mishika. I am asking what are X and Y respectively. Please read the question carefully and then answer me. बहुत से लोग लिख रहे हैं 1998. वो मैं पूछ ही नहीं रहा हूँ, तो लिखा ही हुआ ऑलरेडी. Yes, yes, Dhriti is also right. Priyanshi, Nandini, Mishika, Tanishka, you all right. हाँ, good. देखो, आप पहले चीज समझो. What I am asking is please be careful and you should answer accordingly, है ना? X is an economist. चलो आपने बता दी, बहुत सारे लोगों ने बता दिया. Amartya Sen we are talking about. ठीक है? Then I am asking Y. तो अब देखो कि Y क्या पूछा जा रहा है. In 1998, X received, यानी Amartya Sen received Nobel Memorial Prize in Economics for his contribution to Y. तो अब ये पूछा जा रहा है उनका achievement. What was his contribution? किस लिए उनको मिला था? I have seen this question in asked in some exam. कि अमर्त्य सेन को नोबेल प्राइज किस लिए मिला था? सो द आंसर इज वेलफेयर इकोनॉमिक्स. सॉरी, वेलफेयर स्कीम लिख दिया, वेलफेयर इकोनॉमिक्स. ठीक है, सो दिस इज व्हाट यू शुड बी नोइंग. ईयर तो मैं पूछ ही नहीं रहा हूं, तो ईयर ऑलरेडी मेंशन है. ठीक है, खैर एग्जाम में तो ऑप्शन दिया हुआ रहेगा, सो यू कैन मार्क इट, बट जस्ट फॉर एक्चुअली अंडरस्टैंडिंग पर्पस कि आपको ना, यू हैव टू बी वेरी अटेंटिव इन द एग्जामिनेशन हॉल, बिकॉज आई नो कि इफ यू आर लिटिल लेस अटेंटिव मे बी यू विल कमिट अ मिस्टेक. ठीक है, so that is why you have to be very careful in the examination hall. ठीक है ना? वेलफेयर इकोनॉमिक्स के लिए इनको मिला था. Yes, you can see for his contribution to welfare economics. So this is the reason. Now let's move on to the next one. Amartya Sen also got Bharat Ratan, which is India's highest civilian award. अच्छा, I have made a separate video on it. For Bharat Ratan 2024, I have already made a video. तो आप जाना YouTube पे सर्च करना भारत रत्न 2024 and then you can write career launcher law entrance. इस तरह करके सर्च करोगे, you will get that video. It is the thumbnail will be somewhere on red and orange in color. Go and watch that. So he got Nobel Prize in 1999. The next year, yes, Mishika, you are right. Rahil, Tanishka, Priyanshi, Wahid, Tanishka, Nandini, all were right. B is the right answer. So इनको next year जब 98 में वो जीत, उनको नोबेल प्राइज मिला, so the next year he was lucky to get भारत रत्न as well. So B is the right answer to this question. ठीक है, so आप देख सकते हो इनको कई सारे अवार्ड मिले, but these two are most important. ठीक है, this you should be knowing about it. Okay, yes, born in Shanti Niketan, Bengal. Shanti Niketan, the place where you will find something associated with Rabindranath Tagore, है ना? Shanti Niketan. ओके, एक दो चीज और पता होना चाहिए. ही गेव अ वेरी फेमस इंडेक्स, अमर्त्य सेन. उस इंडेक्स का नाम बता सकते हो? या एक along with Mahbubul Haq, along with the Pakistani economist Mahbubul Haq, Amartya Sen gave a concept, an index, which is now very famous, prominent. That's called as Human Development Index. I think, as far as I remember, I have taught this in paid classes. So this concept was given by Amartya Sen plus a Pakistani economist Mahbubul Haq. ठीक है. Yes, Human Development Index. Yes, Pritam, Nivi, Nandani, Rahil, Kriti, Tanishka, you all are right. Good. Okay, now let's move on to the next one. Please read the question and then answer me. Yes, Mishika, very good. Yes, Priyanshi Goel, very good. Very well explained. So कैसे पकड़ना था? तो इतना सब पढ़ते तो नहीं मिलता, यहां से पकड़ा था. In 2019 he shared Nobel Memorial Prize in Economics with Esther Duflo, इनकी वाइफ है, and Michael Kramer. ठीक है, for their experimental approach to alleviating global poverty. So we're talking about Abhijit Banerjee. He's also an Indian origin personality. Although they are not Indian citizens, अब तो ये लोग बाहर चले गए, वहां रह गए, they've got settled here, but Indian origin, he was born in West Bengal and all. ठीक है, so है ना, with Esther Duflo and Michael Kramer. तो सिक्स्थ मैरिड कपल बने टू जॉइंटली विन नोबेल प्राइज. ठीक है, जैसे हम लोगों ने एक बार मैरी क्यूरी, मैडम क्यूरी और हस्बैंड का डिस्कस किया था, फर्स्ट मैरिड कपल एंड ऑल लाइक दैट. ठीक है, सो अभिजीत बैनर्जी फॉर हिज एक्सपेरिमेंटल अप्रोच टू एलिवेटिंग ग्लोबल पॉवर्टी. सो ही इज बॉर्न इन इंडिया. अच्छा, मुंबई में ही वाज बॉर्न, बट ही इज एन यूएस सिटीजन. ठीक है, सो जैसे लोग बोले थे कि सर इसको हम इंडियन माने कि नहीं माने, इट डिपेंड्स एक्चुअली, बिकॉज ही इज नॉट एन इंडियन सिटीजन व्हेन ही वाज गेटिंग एन अवार्ड, बट इंडियन ओरिजिन पर्सन. ठीक है, तो इट डिपेंड करता है कि क्वेश्चन क्या कह रहा है, उस हिसाब से आपको यू विल हैव टू रिस्पॉन्ड. ठीक है, सो दैट इज व्हाट यू शुड बी नोइंग इट. सो दीस थ्री पीपल है ना, अभिजीत बैनर्जी, इस्तर दुफ्लो, माइकल क्रेमर. ठीक है, तो ये इनकी वाइफ है, बोथ आर हस्बैंड वाइफ. ओके, देन माइकल क्रेमर है ना. सो हार्वर्ड, सेम एमआईटी हार्वर्ड है ना. सो he was schooled in Bengal because Banerjee, so most likely he is originally from the state of Bengal. ठीक है. Who is the winner of Nobel Prize in Economics 23? मैं बस ऐसे ही पूछ रहा हूँ कि लास्ट ईयर किसने जीता था. जस्ट आई वांटेड टू नो दैट इफ एनीवन कैन आंसर मी. अभी थोड़ा देर पहले वी वर डिस्कसिंग इट 15-20 minutes back, and she worked actually related with women's labor force participation. इनका जो रिसर्च था women's labor force participation से रिलेटेड था. Claudia Goldin, yes, Namo, Vaishnavi, Mishika, Vivan, you all were right. So the right answer is Claudia Goldin. जीते थे है ना. Women's labor market outcomes, so women's labor force से related research था. Yes, Nandini, Priyanshi, Sriti, you all were right. Very good. Now let's talk about yesterday's homework. तो मैंने yesterday we had discussed Nobel Peace Prize. नहीं देखा है, please go and watch it if you have not watched. And I had given you homeworks. एक तो ये दिया था कि Nobel Peace Prize 2024 किसको मिला और अचीवमेंट बताइए, फर्स्ट विनर बताइए. ठीक है, तो ये सब तो आप लोगों ने बताया, कई सारे लोगों ने, है ना. तो दिस वेरी गुड. आराधना, तनिष्का, यू ऑल हैड आंसर्ड मी. ठीक है, तो आराधना ने सारा बता दिया, वेरी गुड. देन नंदिनी, एंड नंदिनी आल्सो टोल्ड मी कि फर्स्ट विनर कौन थे नोबेल पीस प्राइज की, है ना, जीन हेनरी डोनट एंड फ्रेडरिक पैसी. देन वाहिद आल्सो टोल्ड मी, है ना. एंड आई वाज आस्किंग वन मोर थिंग. वो मैंने पूछा ये था कि अनवर सादात was the Egyptian president. He got Nobel Peace Prize for which agreement? It's called as Camp David Accord. So most likely Thursday ko we'll be having a session on Israel-Palestine conflict. So I'll ask questions from here also. Camp David Accord की वजह से 1978 में हुआ था. It was given, and let me see if anyone has answered me. I think I was seeing someone has answered. हाँ, Anwar Sadat got Nobel Peace Prize for Camp David Accord and Egypt-Israel Peace Treaty. Very good, Nandini. And then for negotiating David Accord. ठीक है, Camp David Accord है ना. Yes, Wahid and Nandini had answered me correctly. Okay, Now, there's a question. Abhi मैं explain नहीं कर रहा हूँ because I'll be having a detailed class on Thursday most likely in Israel-Palestine conflict पर. तो I am giving you some homework. ठीक है, go and find out और नीचे comment section में आंसर करना. एक तो ये दो क्वेश्चन ऑलरेडी इज देयर कि विनर ऑफ नोबेल प्राइज इन इकोनॉमिक्स 2024 कौन है. यू हैव टू राइट जस्ट फॉर रिविजन. आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग एंड अचीवमेंट्स लिखना है नीचे कमेंट सेक्शन में. सो दिस इज A1, दिस इज A2, then A3 is you have to tell me first Muslim nation to do a deal मतलब agreement कह लो, deal कह लो, whatever you can say, with Israel. ठीक है. और A4 में बताना है सेकंड मुस्लिम नेशन टू डू सो, टू हैव डील विद इजराइल, a sort of a deal या agreement. Okay, ठीक है. So these are the homeworks. Go and find out and we'll be discussing in detail. We are not talking about Israel-Palestine deal, some other country. ठीक है. I'm not talking about Israel Palestine, but जैसे Oslo Accord किसी ने लिखा, ठीक है, but I'm talking about some other country other than Palestine doing deal. ठीक है. GI tax पर अच्छा मैं देखता हूँ. If I get a chance, I will have class on GI. I will try to arrange. देखता हूँ. ठीक है. So I'll be meeting you tomorrow. Thank you everyone. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. And once the class is over, you will be provided recorded video. उसमें आपको आंसर लिखना है. So thanks for watching.